Peace be upon you. Welcome to all my students in prep 2 with you, Mr. Muhammad Omar. In this session, we will talk about the first lesson in geometry in second term is equality of the areas of two parallelograms. Is what? Equality of the areas of two parallelograms. And in this session, we have one theorem and some corollaries. So let's start with theorem number one. Surfaces of two parallelograms with common base and between two parallel straight lines, one is carrying the space, are equal in area. Again, surfaces of two parallelograms. So we have two parallelograms and the two parallelograms with common base. What is the meaning of common base? For example, this is common base and this is the first parallelogram and this is the second parallelogram. Okay? Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, the first parallelogram and the second parallelogram are between two parallel straight lines. So this is first and this is second. To make the two parallelograms lies between two parallel straight lines. This is the first straight line and this is the second straight line. And the two straight lines are parallel. Okay, one is carrying the space. Okay, are equal in area. One of the straight lines are carrying the space. Okay, then I say the two parallelograms are equal in area. So we have to condition to say the two parallelograms are equal in area. Who can tell me this is two condition? Yes, who can tell me this is two condition? Raise your hands. Yes, Hania?
Common base and between two parallel straight lines, one is carrying this base.
That's right. The first condition must be have common base and the second lies between two parallel straight lines. Okay, so corollary number one. The parallelograms and the rectangle with common base and between two parallel straight lines are equal in area. The theorem between two parallelograms and the corollary between one parallelograms and the others is quadrilateral also, is rectangle. Okay, corollary number two. The area of the parallelograms equal what? Equal the length of the base times its corresponding heights. What means of its corresponding heights? Look at the opposite figure.
Yeah, the height from the vertex.
The height of what? Please say it again. The height of what?
The height that comes from the vertex.
Yes, that's right. ABCD is a parallelogram, okay? In the opposite figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. If AB is a base, then what is the corresponding height? Where is it? It's DE. Because the vertex D is opposite to the base AB, okay? Okay, so the base is AB, sorry, and the corresponding height is DE. Also, if BC is a base, then where is the corresponding height? Is what? Is DF. Is DF, okay? Okay, so the area of the parallelograms equals L1 times H1 or equals L2 times H2, okay?
Okay.
Corollary number 3. The parallelograms with base equal in length and line on a straight line, while the opposite sides to these bases are on another straight line are equal in length. Do you understand this corollary or not?
No.
The parallelograms with bases equal in length. If we have two parallelograms and the two parallelograms, these bases are equal in length. This is the first parallelogram and this is the second. Okay? If we say this is the base of the first parallelogram and this is the base of the second parallelogram are equal in length. 2 centimeter, for example, and also 2 centimeters. And lying on a straight line. This is two bases are lying on a straight line, while the opposite side to this base are on another straight line. So, while the opposite sides to these spaces are in another straight line. Okay, this is another straight line are equal in length. So this is corollary means the two parallelograms here not in the common base, but the two bases are equal in length. So if the two parallelograms are in a common base or the two bases are equal in length, then we say the two parallelograms are equal in area. Now, do you understand or not?
يعني لو التو parallelograms البيت بتاعتهم equal بس هما مش على نفس الستريت لاين يبقوا برضو الاريا بتاعتهم equal.
This is two bases are equal in length and in the same straight line. In the same straight line.
Okay.
But the two bases not common but equal in length. Also, I say the two parallelograms are equal in area. Okay.
Okay.
Corollary number 4. Area of a triangle is equal to half of the area of a parallelograms if they have a common base lying on one of two parallel straight lines included them. So it means the area of triangle equal what? Equal half the area of parallelograms. What is the condition? If they have a common base lying on one of two parallel straight lines. So if we say this is parallelograms and this is triangle, okay? The base of triangle and the parallelograms lies in what? In a straight line. And this is the other straight line, and the two straight line are parallel. Then we say the area of triangle equal half the area of parallelogram, okay? Okay. Corollary number 5, area of the triangle equal half of the length of the base times corresponding height. Okay. Area of triangle equal half the length of its base times corresponding heights. Notice that the difference between corollary number 2 and corollary number 5. Corollary number 2, the area of parallelogram equal not half, but the length of the base times corresponding heights. But in corollary number 5, the area of triangle equal half, because the area of triangle equal half the area of what? Of parallelograms, okay? Okay, let's practice. Let's start with choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, if the base length of the parallelogram is 7 centimeters, and the corresponding height is 4. Then its area equal what? Yes, Sarah?
we will write the اللي هو القانون يعني هنكتب اللي هو base times height.
Yes, the area
هي-
of the parallelogram equals base times height. Base equals 7 and height equal 4. Then the area equal
7 times 4 هتبقى 28 cubic centimeter.
28 letter D. That's right, Sarah. 28 square centimeter. Okay, number 2. If the area of the parallelograms is 35 square centimeter and its height is 5, then the length of the corresponding base is what? Please raise your hands. Yes, Anas?
اوكي، وانا ادينا اريا يعني height 5. طب مستر هعمل 35 divided by 5 الاول.
Yes. We know that
هتطلع
the
ب7.
area of the parallelograms equals base times the height, the corresponding height. So if the area equal 35 equal base times
height.
5. So to get the base, we make division. 35 divided 5. 35
Equal 7.
divided 5 equal?
7 centimeter.
Yes. Letter B, 7 centimeter. Okay, thanks, Anas. Number 3. If ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB equal 5, BC equal 10, and its smaller height is 4, then the greatest height or the greater height equal what? We know that this is the parallelograms. This is the parallelograms, and this is the first height, and this is the second height. The greatest height is opposite to the smallest base, and the smallest height is opposite to the greatest base. Okay? So, in this example, this is parallelogram, okay? We know that this is greatest base and this is smallest base, okay? So if we say this is first height and this is second height, we know that the greatest height opposite to smallest base, and also the smallest height opposite to greatest base. Okay, do you understand now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. AB 5 centimeter. If we say AB 5 centimeter, A, P, C, D. AB 5 and BC 10. So the smaller height is 4. Where is the smaller height? Here, 4. So what is the length of the greatest height? Who can tell me the answer? Please raise your hands. Yes, Hania?
Yes. نعمل 4 times 10
4 times 10, that's
10.
right. 4
تبقى 40
equal?
40.
Yes, equal 40. 4 times 10 equal what?
40 40 and 40 times
We need to make equality between the areas. You understand me?
okay.
This is side equal 5, and we
Okay.
need to get the length of this is height.
Mm.
So 4 times 10 equal the greatest height times what? Times 5.
The smallest base. Yes, 5.
Okay, to get the height, we make divided by 5. So
Yes,
in the two sides, 5 divided by 5 equal 1. And 4 times 10, 40 divided 5 equal?
40 divided 5,
Equal what?
8.
Yes, you can use calculator, equal 8.
Okay.
That's right. Okay, thank you, honey. Number 4. Parallelograms whose area 50 square centimeters and the length of its base equal twice the corresponding height. Then this height equal what? Who know the answer? Raise your hands, please. Yes, Anas.
الأول هنعمل
We know that the area of parallelogram given 50 square centimeter and the
اللي
length
هي لينس تايمز width. قصدي معلش بيس
in the
تايمز هايت.
given the length of its base equals twice the corresponding height. We say area of the parallelograms equals
بيس تايمز هايت.
base times height. Okay, base times height. And in the given, base equal what? Base equal twice height. So we can substitute about base by double height, 2h. Okay?
اوكي 2h تايمز h.
Yes, 2h times h. Then the result is 2h power 2.
50.
2h power 2 equal what?
2
Equal area.
50
And the area equal
equal
what?
area 50.
50 square centimeter. Now we make division by 2 in the two sides. 2 divided 2 equal 1. And 50 divided 2 equal 25.
25.
Then h power 2 equal 25. So h equal h power 2 equal 25. Take square root.
يبقى هتبقى h equal 5.
Yes, then h equal letter D 5.
بس انا مش حاسس ان انا فاهمها قوي بصراحه.
Okay, let's repeat it again. A parallelogram whose area 50 square centimeter. In this example, the area is given 50 square centimeter. Okay, so area equal 50 square centimeter. And the length of its base equals twice. So let the length of its base equal x, okay? So the length of its corresponding height equal what? 2x. So x times 2x equal what?
x times 2x equal 2x power 2.
Power 2. Okay, so 2x power 2 equal 50. Then x power 2 equal 25. So the value of x equal root of 25 equal 5.
تمام فهمتها.
You understand now? Okay.
yes.
Thanks, Anas.
يعني
Number
بنشيل
five.
بنعمل divided by 2 وبعدين بعدين نعمل
Yes, the first
square root.
firstly we make division by 2 and
Then we will make
we take
square
the
root.
square root. Okay, that's right. Number 5, the ratio between the area of parallelograms and the area of the straight, the area of a triangle whose base is common and are included between two parallel straight line. Who can tell me the answer? Please raise your hands. Yes, Sarah? Sarah Sharif?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Do you know the answer?
هي ال area of the triangle half ال area of the parallelogram
right.
فبالتالي
We need
بالتالي
the
هتبقى
ratio between the area of parallelogram, the greatest, and the area of triangle, the smallest.
يبقى 2 to 1.
Yes, that's right. 2 to 1. Okay, thank you, Sarah. Number 6. If the area of the triangle 42 square centimeter and its height equals 7 centimeter, then the length of the corresponding base equal what?
Me.
Yes, Anas.
First هو مدينا ال area of triangle هتبقى اللي هي half times half times base times height. Well, and the height equal 7.
Okay, the area of triangle is given 42. That's right. And
Then we
its height
will
7.
make 42 divided by 7 times 2 equal 12.
Yes, then the corresponding base equal, we know that the
12.
area of triangle equal half
Half the
times
area of
base times
times height.
height. Okay, then area equal
42
equal
divided by 7 equal 6. 6 times 2 equal
half.
12.
That's right, Anas. Base equal كام? Equal, we
7.
need the base.
Base equal
Base times what?
base times height.
Base type height equals 7. Okay, now we need to get the value of the base. The value of the base equal 2.
42 divided by 7.
Yes, 2 times 42 divided by 7. 2 times 42 equal 84, and 84 divided by 7 equal?
Equal 12.
That's right, well done. Letter B. Okay. This is homework, okay? This is homework. Number 7, the area of a right angle triangle in which the length of the side of a right angle are 6 and 9 equals what? Who know the answer? Please raise your hands. Yes, Hania?
Yes. Area of right angle triangle and
Yes, we have right
6
angle
and
triangle.
9.
For example, ABC is a right angle triangle, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And the length of what? Of sides of right angle 6 and 9. Let CB 6 and AB 9.
Okay.
This is height perpendicular, and this is base. CB equals 6 centimeter. Then the area equal what?
9 times 6
Yes, half times 9 times 6.
times 6
Half times 9 equal 3. 3 times 6 equal? Again, yes, half times 6 equal, sorry, half times 6 equal 3. 3 times 9 equal?
هيبقى كلها 27.
Yes, the result is 27 square centimeter. Number 8, the area of the triangle whose dimensions 6 and 4 centimeter. The area more than or less than or equal to or not equal to the area of the triangle whose base length is 12 and the corresponding height is 4. Okay, we have a rectangle and we have a triangle. Who can tell me the answer? Please raise your hand. Yes, Sarah? Sarah again?
The area of a rectangle length times width
Area of
هتبقى
rectangle
6 times
what?
4. 6 times 4.
Yes, length times width. So 6 times what? 6 times 4 equal?
24.
24. Okay, and the area of a triangle equal what? Half times base times height. Half times base 12. Half times 12 equal what?
Half times 12 times 4 هتبقى
Times 12
24
times
برضه.
4. Half times 12 equal 6. 6 times 4 equal also
24.
24. Then the result is
Equal.
equal to Thank you. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay. Another example. In the opposite figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which measure of the angle ABC 150 degree. Okay, and AD equal 12 centimeter, AB equal 8, E belong to the ray CB and the line segment AE perpendicular with the ray CB. Find the area of the parallelogram ABCD. We need the area of the parallelogram ABCD. Who can tell me the answer? Please raise your hands. Yes, Anas.
مستر هو الأول ازاي اي هتبقى perpendicular سي بي؟
Say it again, please. Raise your voice.
هو مش البربنديكولار بيبقى يعني البربنديكولار
Right angle, 90 degree.
Yes.
And this is right angle. AE
Okay.
perpendicular. This is given. AE perpendicular with the ray CB. The ray CB.
Okay. Area of parallelogram equal length times base times height.
Yes, we know that the area of the parallelogram equal
Base times height.
the length of base times corresponding height. Okay. Now we have the length of AD and the length of AB only.
Okay. المفروض كده بي سي هتبقى برضو 12 سنتيمتر.
BC equal what?
12 سنتيمتر المفروض.
Okay, 12 centimeter. Each opposite sides are equal in length in the parallelogram.
اوكي.
This is base. This is base. 12
بعدين
centimeter. And this is height.
هنرسم دي.
Draw what?
Draw straight line.
You mean this is line segment?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's say BM.
This is
okay.
M. Okay.
From the
Then
figures, BM equal the length of AE. Okay, so what is the
Okay.
length of PM? This is corresponding height to the
Okay,
base AD. What is the length? To get the length of PM, we need to get the length of AE. What is the length of AE?
AE هو قال لي اللي AB equal 8.
Okay, let me help you. This is right angle triangle. And this
تمام.
is what? This is angle. Equal what? This is straight angle. And this is angle equal 150 degree. The angle ABC equal 150 degree. Then the angle ABE equal what? This is straight angle. And the straight angle equal 180 degree. Then the measure of
يبقى
angle
ABA هتبقى 30 degree.
180 minus 150 equal
150 equal 30 degree.
Equal 30 degree. That's right. And in the first term, we take the side.
Okay, AA كده measure A measure B AE هتبقى 60 degree.
We say in the first we take the length in the right angle triangle, the length of side which opposite to the angle 30 equal half the hypotenuse.
Okay, يبقى
You
AE
remember?
هتبقى
Yes.
equal 4.
Then the length of AE equal half
4.
AB.
Half
And AB
AB.
given 8. then AE
then
equal
A equal 4
equal 4, then BM equal 4,
equal 4.
then
Then
the
area of ABCD equal 12 times 4.
the area of ABCD parallelogram equal 12
12 times 4
4, and 12 times 4
equal 48
equal
48
and don't
centimeter.
forget square
Square centimeter.
centimeter, the measurement units. Okay, well done. Another example. In the opposite figure, ABCD and EBCF are two parallelograms. E belong AD and F belong AD. Prove that the area of the triangle ADE equal the area of the triangle DCF. Who know the answer? Please raise your hands. Yes, Hania? Do you know the answer?
اوكي او يعني هجرب يعني أنا مش
Okay.
مش مش
Okay,
عارفة
let's solve
يعني
together.
هجرب.
Let's solve
أوكي.
together.
اوكي
We need to prove, Hania, the area
that
of
the
the triangle, this is colored triangle, equal
اوكي
the shaded triangle CDF.
اوكي ممكن نقول علشان مثلا corresponding angle مثلا
No.
قصدي corresponding base قصدي
What? Say it again, please. Is it right?
corresponding base.
Corresponding base. Okay.
Yes.
This is,
AF.
we notice that we have two parallelograms. The first parallelogram is ABCD, and the second parallelogram is EBCF. And the two
Yes.
parallelograms have the common base. What is the
Base.
common base?
CB.
Okay, CB. Now we need to prove the triangle ABE equal in area with triangle DCF.
اوكي ممكن نجرب ايه تاني.
Since the parallelogram ABCD and the parallelograms EBCF with
Yes.
common base
Yes.
CB, and between two parallel straight line and between two parallel straight line
Yes.
FA and CB. Then